Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and data so you can iterate fast. Create a virtual environment, install PyTorch or TensorFlow, plus NumPy and Pandas. Once done, load your CSV or NumPy arrays and immediately split into train, validation, and test sets. This prevents data leakage and speeds debugging. Make sure labels are numeric and normalize features to similar ranges. Then define dataset loaders, or generators so batching and shuffling happen automatically during training. Now you construct the model architecture and training loops so learning can occur. Define a model class with clear input and output shapes, stacking layers that suit your problem, add activation and dropout where needed. Then pick a loss function and optimizer. Cross-entropy with Atom at 1E3 is a solid start, and create data loaders for batching. During each epoch, compute batch loss, call backward, and step the optimizer. Once stable, add validation checks and early stopping to avoid overfitting. Finish by evaluating and saving so your work is reproducible and inspectable. Run your model on the test set and log metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. Visualize predictions to understand errors. Then save weights and any preprocessing steps so you can reload exactly. If results are poor, first verify labels and data splits, then reduce learning rate or add regularization. Also inspect gradient norms and loss curves to find instability. One key tip: check for accidental data leakage before tuning hyperparameters.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.